Nandito po ba sila? Wala. Ayan. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. We also have our next pair. We have Mr. Roger Nino and Miss Rebecca Anastasio. Sana mapangasawa pa tong batang to. Ginawa niyo ng ninong sa edad na yan. And of course, the last pair we would like to say and still acknowledge former Limay Bataan Councilor Edgardo Cortez and Mrs. Daisy Cortez, who didn't make it tonight. Moving on for Mr. Dave Gutierrez and Miss Angel Gutierrez. Palakpakan nyo naman po si Dave tsaka si Angel. And of course, we have the next pair, Mr. Alan Kua and Mr. Adrian Parungaw. Mag-jowa. One more time, a big round of applause for these two. Come on. And of course, the next pair, we have Mr. Marlon Aldrin Bautista and Miss Angel Grace David. Big hands for our next pair. Moving on to Mr. Ray Tapia and Miss Mary Jane Cruz. Ayun, di nila pinagandaan yung DJ. Focus tayo. Once again, we have Mr. Ray Tapia and Miss Mary Jane Cruz. Bagets na bagets si ate. One more time, palakpakan nyo naman ang ating next pair. Moving on to Mr. Marvin De Jesus and Miss Ira Abalos. Ayun. Giling pa ate. One more giling. Come on. Yun. Wow, may twist sa dulo. And finally, to complete our entourage parade, we have your maid of honor and best man, Mr. Dennis Dioquino and Miss Rachel Borromeo. Akala ko nito kapatid ni Miss Arian kamukha. Alright, one more time, let's give another round of applause to our entourage. And of course, guys, again, early entering our function hall, but tonight, we will call them for the very first time as Mr. and Mrs. Ang sarap pakinggan. And let's give a warm round of applause, no other than to the entrance of our couple. We have Mr. and Mrs. Ron and Arian Del Ceruno. O ito, tingnan natin. Pasayawin natin si Aaron tsaka si Ron. One more time, let's give another round of applause for Ron and Del. Ulit daw, ulit. Ulitin natin. Yes, come on! We say congratulations to Mr. and Mrs. Ceruno. Let's go, guys. Let's give another round of applause. Pinag-practicean niya ni Arian tsaka ni Ron ng 3 buwan. Let's go, Arian and Ron. Join me in front, please.